beaten as a fucking child. Good for you. I don't give a fuck.
Fair enough. Are you hard like diamond?
Back up.
No, I'm not. Have a look at my score, cunt. You're fucking autistic. I suck for you.
What does your score got to do with you being hard like diamond or not?
The fact that I'm a fuck ton better than you and you're fucking dumb, dude. Exactly what it has to do with it.
Better than you.
Go on, prove it. Win this game, dude. Show me how good you actually are when you aren't a dumb.
One enemy remaining.
Spike drop. I have the spike. Enemy spotted A.
Last player standing.
Spike planted. Shadow.
Oh, you can have a free Ben. I don't give a fuck. Enjoy that, buddy.
You didn't get banned for trolling.
You do when it's on stream, dude.
You're streaming, Luke.
You're dumb.
How many views do you have? Be honest.
This your mum,
Please
dude.
be honest. Please be honest. How many views do you have?
No, dude.
Worthless.
What'd you say? 9.